Hi, I'm Vindhya. It's been 12 years since I've come into Aashwasan, and it's a great experience for me. What I've seen in this 12 years is not only me, it's the people around me, maybe my parents, my friends, everybody has great experience in Aashwasan. And it has helped me to see the hope within myself and live a happy life, especially when everybody had given up on me during my when I was COVID and a severely lung infection, and including the doctors when they say that she will not be alive. Aashwasan is the one, as the name says, it gave me an assurance to live.
Now, if someone asks me what is Aashwasan, I would definitely say it's something more than a wellness company. It has made transformations of many lives in an impactful way. It just can be experienced because I have experienced what Aashwasan is, and it has pulled me from where I am and to what I am right now.
Like the saying goes, like you always say, that Aashwasan means coming home to yourself. And I truly believe that I did feel that when it came to me. I did experience so much of a transition from the individual I was to what I am right now in a whole year.
Aashwasan allowed me to flow, to think, to realize the things, and it put me on a journey where I'm experiencing my own small emotion on a everyday basis. And there's I can feel that I'm in a journey where I'm transforming myself only, and it's a beautiful journey.
Aashwasan means it's a love where we all work with a love. In simple, Aashwasan means love.
Aashwasan is a trust and hope. I got a lot of experience in that, personally or professionally. So it's like family for me.
Rashmi, if I have to define about her, I think I'll take days together. But Rashmi is the one, like, it's a mother's love, I can say, unconditional love. And I'm so happy that God has blessed me with such a lovely soul. Every thing what I experience along with her when I'm working, I've been, it's almost 12 years with her now. And each and every step I have, whatever I received, I'm very grateful to that. I thank you, Rashmi, so much for being there with me, imparting your good, values within me so that I can pass it on to the others.
Rashmi, you, the beautiful soul. I mean, to me, you are like, something which, what do I say, a lighthouse to a stormy sea? Let me compare you with that. I'm so indebted to you, and I love you so much, Rashmi.
There was one thing you told me that I needed to remember, was to not be in fear, because that was who I was. I was a very fearful person. There has been tremendous amount of change that I see in myself, and I'm so much more confident. I'm less fearful. You've always motivated me, shown me all the love I wanted, all the love I never had otherwise.
In my lifetime, I saw the first CEO who hugs colleagues and who talks so softly with the co-workers.
For me, Rashmi ma'am is all about true unconditional love. From the time I met her, in any difficult situation, whether she's physically present with me or not, but her words, her love is always there to strengthen me, to guide me. I never hesitate to express myself in front of her. She is always there to support, as a true guidance. She made me realize how much it is important to love yourself, to respect yourself, and give respect to your own feelings, and acknowledge your inner voice, how to make choices in your life. I have dreams, I have belief in it. It is just because of Rashmi ma'am.